today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a job in Midjourney. Midjourney runs entirely inside Discord, and any action you trigger, like generating images or upscaling, is called a job. Canceling a job is useful when you change your mind mid-process or you want to save time and resources. Here's how to do it smoothly. First, open Discord and go to the space where you use Midjourney, whether that's the official server, a dedicated channel, or your own thread. Make sure you can see the Midjourney bot messages because the cancel option appears right on the bot's job message while it's running. To demonstrate, I'll start a job by clicking Upscale Subtle under one of my generated image grids. You could do this with any job, an upscale, a variation, or a fresh imagine, but Upscale Subtle is a clear example. As soon as you click it, Midjourney will begin processing and post a message showing the job is in progress. Watch that bot message closely. While the job is still queued or actively rendering, you'll see reaction icons appear underneath it. Among those reactions is a small X. Clicking this X is the built-in way to cancel the job. Timing matters. You need to hit the X while the job is still running. If the upscale completes, the image is finished and it can't be cancelled after the fact. When you press the X, Discord will register your reaction and Midjourney should stop the job. You may see the status update or a short confirmation that the job was cancelled. If you don't immediately see the reaction row, hover over the message on desktop to reveal it. On mobile, tap or long press the bot's message to bring up the reaction bar, then select the X. If the job is moving fast, be ready to cancel quickly. A few tips to keep in mind. Cancelling helps you avoid spending more of your fast time or waiting out a long render you no longer need. It works the same way for relaxed mode jobs. They stop processing once cancelled. If the X doesn't appear, it often means the job has already finished or the message hasn't fully loaded yet. Give it a second and check again. And remember, cancelling doesn't delete your previous results or grids. It only stops the current action you triggered. That's it. Open Discord, trigger the job like Upscale Subtle, and while it's running, click the X reaction on the Midjourney bot's message to cancel. Simple, quick, and a great way to stay in control of your workflow.